Hello! In this video tutorial we will show you how to install the streaming patch for MDC-X systems. First, copy the downloaded file to the MDC-X, then extract the file using the context menu. Double-click on the install file and wait until you are asked to enter a password. Enter the password MDC is written on the screen. Once the installation has finished, reboot the system. The patch includes a demonstration project that shows how a virtual stream from OBS can be integrated into a MDC project. In the lower right of the screen you will see a small icon that shows that OBS is running. Various screens and compositions can be created using OBS. All modifications are streamed to the MDC in real time. You can integrate NDI stream eventually. We now show you how to integrate the OBS stream into a new project. Create a new template. Open the template. Select Media, add video input. Now you have a stream input as media in your project. Add it to the current map and you see the stream from OBS. Now you start working with MDC as usual. To preview the current stream remotely you can use the MDC Touch Output Preview feature. Navigate to Status Output Detection and scroll all the way down. If there is a virtual stream from OBS you preview it here. Click the window to refresh. At the top of this page you can also preview the output of MDC itself. Create a template and add a media stream. The whole output can be seen in the preview. Note that this also works for normal project without a stream. To set up if the OBS program which provides the streams shall be started when the system starts, navigate to MDC-X Control, set up and check or uncheck the feature. Reboot the system after you have saved the changes.